As we age our lives, we are able to experience and understand different aspects of life. So, what is being said today is such a thing. This is especially true for those who have not had much experience in life or have never experienced such an event. If you have already made a relationship like a love affair or any other relationship, no matter how much you love each other, some misunderstanding can lead to resentment at many points in life. It looks like conflicts between two people are common, but sometimes serious resentments can lead to separation or termination of their relationships. Being resentment when dealing with certain things in life can sometimes tell you exactly how much you love one loves you. Why did I say that? Because when resentment goes a long way, you can hear really true words of reality, what's on your loved one's mind. Then you can know what attitude about your love had in your partner's mind till then. But it is not good for resentment to go so far. Have you ever had a deep grudge arise with your partner that you cannot forgive? In my video today, I am going to show you some simple facts about if your loved one had an argument with you for some reasons and how that resentment affects your relationship between the two of you and how you go about setting it. I think you have some ideas of what happens to love when a dispute with someone you love goes too far. There are several ways in which resentment can affect your love relationship. Sometimes, if resentments happen from time to time, they can weaken the bond of love between you and your loved one. So, it is the best way to try to forgive your partner whenever possible. Sometimes it is relatively easy to do and sometimes it is difficult. Or if you cannot forgive at once, it is important to really do something for the task of forgiving. The important thing is not to hold your grudge for long. When you hold your grudge for a long time, as like toxic foods can damage your body, prolonged resentment can damage your bonding relationship little by little. No matter who holds the resentment, it can also affect a relationship by eroding trust between partners. If you want to decrease or stop your resentment, the first step in solving the problem is to do some self-reflection. One of the first things you need to do is to examine just why you are continuing to hold a grudge. If you felt wrong in some way by something your partner said or did that left you feeling hurt, then it is important that you communicate this to your partner. In this way, the resentment between you and your loved one can be alleviated. If you two have been resentful for a while, then it can be a bit difficult. But if you think this relationship is worth for you, you should talk to your partner as a way to resolve it somehow. Because holding on to resentment can over time become an unhealthy pattern that extends beyond your relationship. If you spend too much time thinking about resentment, you may little by little end up suffering from a variety of mental illnesses. If you understand that your partner is not really in love, it is only pretending to be in love is just you feel, then you can decide if your relationship needs to continue or end. If you think it's better to be alone than to be in rebuild your relationship, all you have to do is forget about everything and live. But being alone does not mean that you should live unhappily. Forget all that has been built and live without any discomfort. That means living like a newborn life without you going to think about your past relationship. Making a big change is not always easy, but you need to have a strong mind to make your own decision. If you find that you do not have the mental strength to make a decision on your own, it is best to seek the advice of a qualified counselor to develop new ways of dealing with resentment or frustration. So in today's video, I pointed out some of the things you need to keep your relationship much stronger. I think shared points may be worth it for you. If the video is good, then like it. Share this video for others to see. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell button and select all to enable the notification. And also write your valuable ideas, suggestions below in the comment section. Thank you and have a great life.